Angelica, how can you beat Femke Kok at the World Championship at the 500 meter?
You asked me a huge question that is hard to explain.
Femke's results are amazing. I mean, she's undefeated for every race that she's done so far this season, which is really impressive. So yeah, I'm just looking forward to seeing how it goes at the World Championships.
Do you know who is the last speed skater who beats Femke Kok at the 500 meter?
Me and Erin Jackson?
You are.
Yes.
Did you know when?
Last year?
I think she is the favorite because, like I said, she's undefeated this season and she's the reigning world champion. So I'm a bit of the underdog coming in, but looking forward to the challenge.
Femke is she's really self-confident about her skating, and even some health issues couldn't stop her.
She's an amazing skater, so yeah, I'm looking forward to bid with him. Her, yeah.
How can you beat her?
Just race. Just race and just fight.
By going faster.
Is that the only thing?
Yeah, I think I need to get my opener back to what it should be. And then, yeah, once I have my opener good and put together a fast lap, then I think it'll be a good show.
I'm glad that she's a big talent and I'm up to her.